Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. Hana here, and we just have a couple quick updates about student ministries that we want to give you. We know that we are heading into September, fall is upon us, school is starting again, and while all of our life feels like it's kind of mixed and we don't know exactly what the next steps are going to be, student ministries is still here to engage students with the reality of Jesus, the power of community to find growth and maturity. That is still our heart, and that is still what we're pursuing, especially now in this new season. And so because of that, we're bringing some changes to student ministries. This summer has looked a lot different than what we're used to, but going into the fall, we know that there's this need for students to be engaged in relationships. There's this need for them to be partnered with leaders. Parents, there's this need for you to be understood and heard and communicated to well. And there's a need for outreach, that people in our city know that there is a community here for them. And so with a couple of the changes coming up, Hans kind of explained a little bit of what those are.
Yeah, so we're going to be alternating different large group and small groups events. So every month we'll have two different large group events. We'll have a program similar to what we've done in the past, and we'll also have some kind of event with a game or a theme or something fun that we can invite people to be in community with us. We'll also have two small groups a month, so we'll rotate every other. So for instance, for middle school, the first Sunday of the month is going to be program, and then the second week on Wednesday is going to be small group. Then the third weekend on Sunday is going to be our event, and then the fourth week is going to be another small group. So that's the way that we'll rotate that. For high school, it's flipped. They'll have small groups on the first and third Wednesdays of the month, and then events on the second and fourth Sundays.
Yeah, all of that is going to be listed below in the PDF that we've attached to this email. If you have any questions, please reach out. We want to help answer and communicate why these changes are happening. We know that people are on a wide spectrum of comfortability, which is why safety is going to be our number one priority when we meet. We will have masks always, sanitization, everything is going to be clean. We're going to enforce 6 feet distance. Our leaders are going to be there to help enforce those as well. And so, and then with small groups, we will be having a virtual option if you're not comfortable with them meeting just yet. So please reach out with any questions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope to be hearing from you guys soon.